Hello everyone, this is Teacher J. Excel in PSLE Math. Question 9. Mr. Lee poured water into a container until it was 2/5 full, and later 84 cubic centimeters of water was added, and the container became 3/4 full. What was the capacity of the container? So at first, two-fifths full actually is, and in the end, three-fourths full. We convert these two fractions into the same denominator, which is the LCM of 4 and 5. 20. 20. We times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. And 5 times 4 is 20, and 3 times 5 is 15. So change to same denominator. So we can see the difference. (15/20 minus 8/20 is 7/20. And obviously 7/20 of the container was the amount of water added to the container, into the container. Is 84 cubic centimeters. So we divide 84 by 7. Yes. 84 divided by 7. 12. That means 1/20 of the container is 12 cubic centimeters. And when it is full, that is one whole. 12 times 20 equals 240 cubic centimeters. The container of the container's capacity. The capacity of the container is 240 cubic centimeters. This is the answer. Alright. That is it. Thanks for watching this video.